sticking with Elon Musk, since he took over my feed, he tweeted out, use Signal, trying to tell people essentially to bail on WhatsApp. This story, many people sent this to me, Will. Many people are concerned, and they're big-time WhatsApp users. A lot of our audience using WhatsApp. Well, there's a new terms of service, which appears to stipulate that your communications and personal information are going to be transmitted to Facebook. And you have a choice to opt in, and that's it. That's your choice. Opt in or you're done.
Yeah.
You can opt in or you can say goodbye to the application forever. And so for those that are, because the app will just stop working without you accepting this. So for those that are not happy with those new terms, they're looking for alternatives right now. And it's no surprise that Elon is trying to encourage people to move over to other platforms. He's had his public beef with Zuckerberg over a variety of who knows what, but he has publicly stated that Facebook is lame. He does not use Facebook, et cetera, et cetera. And he has also, to a certain extent, blamed Facebook for what happened at the Capitol building. He published a meme talking about the domino effect. And I guess that's coming in my next story.